Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can embed HTML code in Canvas. And you can embed HTML code anywhere where the rich content editor is located. I have an infographic here just showing you the steps of how to embed HTML code, and I'm going to walk you through how to embed a Google form into a page. But again, you can embed HTML code wherever the rich content editor is located, and it will look very similar. So in the course that you're currently going through, the next part, you will see a series of examples where you can embed from Wakelet, from Google Forms, from Padlet, and from Genially. And so there are a lot of other websites that work with Canvas in doing this. So it might look different depending on the website that you're using. So for the Google form, I'm going to go into this page here. And so I want to add an example of a Google form here. So I am going to select Edit to edit the page. And I'm going to scroll down because this is where I want the code to be. And so one of the tips for inserting HTML code is to always give yourself a marker so that way you can easily find it in the code. So I want the Google form to show here. So I'm going to say embed here. And that way when I'm in the code, I will see that wording and I'll be able to replace it with the code that I get from the Google form. Okay, so I'm going to go grab my code, and so I have this tab open here for this morning check-in. And so again, this may look different. How you get the code from the different websites will be a different process, but if you look for embed HTML coding that language, you'll be able to find it. So for a Google form, you'll want to select send and select this icon here for embedding. And then you'll see the wording embed HTML. So I'll copy this and I'm going to go back to my Canvas course here, my page. So now that I have my code, I'm going to go down to the bottom right and I'm going to switch to the HTML editor. And so this will automatically show you what is called the pretty HTML editor. When you're editing the code or inserting new code, you are going to want to use the raw HTML editor. So go ahead and select raw HTML editor. And then I am looking for that marker that I set for myself. So where it says embed here, right? And then I'm going to replace that with my code. I'm just going to paste it in. All right. And then I'm going to switch to the pretty HTML editor because I want to show you another tip. All right. So in the pretty HTML editor, it will color code certain things. And so this red, it's not needed. So I would just delete this because that will make it so that I don't have any spaces in my page that I don't need. So I deleted those. And then once I'm done, I'm going to select save. All right, and then if I scroll down, you can see the Google form here. And so as a student, if you are in my course, you can scroll down, you can complete the Google form in Canvas, and when you're finished, select submit, just like you normally would if you submitted the Google form in another window. All right, so that was just a quick tutorial on how you can embed HTML code in Canvas. Again, there are a lot of other websites besides the one that we have shared with you in this course that allow you to embed HTML code in Canvas in the rich content editor.